Hello, welcome back to the channel, Oliver's Musical Genius, in search of the perfect jam. This is the channel where I practice for at least 10 minutes on every single video as I progress towards 10,000 hours of public practicing. This video is brought to you by GetYaSomeProductions.com, my music production company, and podcast. This video is also brought to you by GetYaSomeGuitar.com, my guitar lesson website. Links in the description for both. And I'm going to be playing a song called Backwards by the Handshake, and this is the Handshake.band if you want to check out the original version of the song. I'm going to play the song, and then I'm going to use my Donner triple looper, and I'll also include a link to buy the triple looper, an affiliate link. But I'll flip on the triple looper, and I will improvise for the remainder of the time until the song is done. So thanks for watching, and that's it. I want you to bend over backwards. It's subliminal, and I'll do for you. So much to be good, because you're worth it. Bend over backwards. I'll bend for you backwards. It's like a wave with me, in and out, up and down. I'm coming up for you. I'm coming up to wet your ankles. I love her now. You may think that I have changed, but the part of me that holds this love is exactly the part that I've retained. I've forgotten so much that it takes the breath from me, but I remember enough, so it does the same damn thing, and the water rushes up again. I'm a backward asshole, and I'll just let go. I'm a backward And I'll hope for a happy ending when the tide turns around. And I'll hope for a happy ending with my 2 feet on solid ground. Picturing myself, maybe you could picture me listening to you singing to me. And with that I'll go on feeling very good every day, but with something inside of me that won't go away. As I listen to this machine spin, I realize that time travel is a lie that hurts like love. And as I lay Hello.